Prayas from Innovative Agriculture. Here today we are going to discuss the late peach, the peach crop, which is most probably of 60 days, more than 60 days, how we can treat it for its maximum production. This is a very ideal time for its production because pot formation is almost carry on. There will be a lot of fruit on it, a lot of pods are going to appear on these plants, and process of seed formation of pod is also about to start. It's already started. Then how you can maximize the grain in pod, number of pods and the number of grains in per pod and the size of pod, which ultimately directly proportional to the fertilization of this crop. As you fertilize it, the grain in pod will be of higher size, better size, healthy one than others. You just keep it clear that after 1 month, most probably more than 1 month, the sun has come out after the fog duration, and fog duration was very high, very lengthy, long, in the pinching one because there was no sunshine for a hour. Only fog was there, and there was no sunlight that hit these crops badly. Oh, it was better for this crop that there was no frost there. There was no damage by severe heat of frost, but fog was an issue because the growth was stunting down. The plants were in negative growth. There wasn't any growth in these plants because photon that cannot be processed in this area. They cannot utilize their fertilization for the pot formation. Now here they have started the pot formation because sun has come out, and you are looking at all the plants are full with flowers, and they will rapidly increase the induction of flowers in plant because sun has come out and you have put all the fertilizer is available there. Now what you can do for the increase in pod formation in production, ultimately you want to go to, you must now put a handsome spray, very excellent spray of fungicide along with potash because this is time when plant is on its reproductive stage and it exploit potash more rapidly, more efficiently than other stages. Here it need potash along with some fungicide because there is some mildew type fungal diseases or appear due to that high fog rate because the moisture humidity was very high, and that's why there is appearance of some sort of fungicides. Now, when you will give him potash and you will irrigate your field along with the better dose of nitrogen because nitrogen is also required for its formation, you will apply nitrogen. First, you spray your plant with a fungicide along with catalyst of the technology because potash is a regulator, potash is transporter, and it will help the plant to uptake of the fertilizer in the form of phosphorus, in form of nitrogen and other micronutrients which are needed for this process of pollination, grain formation, and all the ultimate process leading to various pod formation or ultimate production. So you will spray fungicide along with potash, irrigated by putting bit of urea, which is also not a bag but a half bag, because excessive urea at that stage may terminate a stage from this reproductive stage to change, shift it to a vegetative stage. If you put a half a bag of urea, then it will compensate, it will utilize it regularly and will be used for the beneficial for increase in grain weight production. Potash will act as transport regulator. That is going to available that potash that is maybe in soils but not available due to different reason because we have high pH due to calcium deposition, and they resist the plant for its uptake. alluvial soil, and these are the condition of alluvial soil all the world. So that's why please put a fungicide along with potash and then irrigate it by half a bag of urea, maybe apply with that irrigation. If you got some sulfur, some humic acid, that will be very beneficial because the system has changed. The environmental conditions are changing from fog to sunny days, and this is a very hell of difference in these conditions. When there is no sun, plant is in stunting growth, in stress. No, it's coming out of stress, and the internodal distance of this plant will be very close because of that stunting type growth. Plant want to grow, but there is no photosynthesis, and they don't let the plant to grow. And repeat this process after a week. When you will repeat it after a week, you cannot you should not apply fungicide, but you must apply potash, because potash half a liter in first spray and half a liter in second spray in the form of catalyst, not other potash. I don't know if they have any some company are working on UFO technology or not, because catalyst is UFO technology. And urea must be incorporated with some dose of potash, 5 kg, 6 kg, 7 kg, and fertigation also, because in both the mechanism, potash flooded by through irrigation and applied on spray will help the cause of production in this piece. So bleach rate is very high. You can got many much of profit out of this field if you are going to focus, concentrate on its fertilization and its plant protection. These are two parallel things. First is plant protection, then along with fertilization, and both of these results can be achieved in single spray by putting some fungicide and potash in single spray. This is what I'm talking about. You must go for this piece, but rate is very high. And fortunately, rate is very high, and you have this crop, and you are now able to maximize its yield by application of these things. Allah Hafiz.